Introducing our officials for this match. First referee, Mr. Jess Villarreal. National referee. Second referee, Mr. Liberato Benito Jr., international referee. Let's call on our starting lineup from our Lady Chiefs of the Arellano University. Let's start off with jersey number 4, Elaine Sagon. At number 5, Mary Jane Ticar. Wearing jersey number 14, Dana Henson. At number 16, Shirley Salamagos. Guest player with jersey number 1, Nerissa Bautista. And guest player with jersey number 3, Mary Jean Balse. Libero number 2, Jonalyn Ibiza. Head coach, Mr. Roberto Obet Javier. Calling on our Lady Altas from the University of Perpetual Health System Dalta. Start off with jersey number 2, Rochelle Ann De La Paz. At number 5, Nori Jane Diaz. Wearing jersey number 8, April Ann Sartin. Team captain with jersey number 15, Honey Royce Tubino. Guest player with jersey number 16, Joy Gazelle Cases. And guest player with jersey number 18, Ariane May Argarin. Libero number 1, Vina Condada. Head coach, Mr. Jason Sapin. Good luck to both teams.
Here we are underway dito po sa ating unang laban. April Sartin, the defending NCAA champions, the Perpetual Health University. Here's Sartin, napalakas ang kanyang tira. So yung unang puntos, mapupunta rito sa kupunan ng Arellano.
It's my first time to ever cover that team. So I'm pretty excited.
Well, Nerissa Bautista, I'm sure na-cover mo na yan ilang beses.
Oh yeah.
Running attack, Honey Royce Tubino. Diane Ticar setting up Mary Jean Balse, pero lumabas ang kanyang tira. So pupunta yung puntos dito sa kupunan ng Perpetual.
Well, Balse, of course, no? Daming fans din yan ni Mary Jean Balse.
Ay, sobra.
I hope though that yung knees niya medyo okay, because I remember
naglalaro siya sa Lyceum, yeah.
No, in last conference ata hindi nga siya nag-play, no?
Because actually she suited up for Lyceum, tapos doon nga niya nakuha yung kanyang knee injury. Well, aggravated na.
Yeah.
Dana Henson on the push ngayon para sa Arellano. Tubino!
That was a quick hit para kay Tubino.
Tubino na, tumata yung team captain ngayon para dito sa kupunan ng Perpetual. At makikita natin lakas ng kanyang palo pag na-develop yung kanyang powers as the center, as the middle attacker.
Pero I was following her career nung ito lang NCAA. She has been delivering.
Right. Sila dalawa ni Diaz actually have been the go-to girls. And speaking of Diaz, there's another one, si April Sartin. We call her the pint-sized phenom. Getting her first point dito sa ating laban. So 3-1. In favor of Perpetual. Serve.
Sige, translate mo yung pint size phenom.
Sa Tagalog? Ano bang pint sa Tagalog? Basta maliit na babaeng malakas. Maliit na babaeng malakas lumundag. Yun.
Haba eh.
Diane Ticar ngayon. Serving. Para sa kupunan ng Lady Chiefs. Nice serve. Yan ang napuri namin ni Mosi Ravena nung na-cover namin siya. Opya. No call on that one. Dana Henson. And Condrada getting that one. Sartin off the block. Ticar, quick set, Balse.
That's right. That's actually magandang challenge yan, no? Tubino and Balse at the net.
Ang pinag-usapan namin ni Tita Mosi nung time na ito, si Ticar, very high percentage ang kanya serve and very, very difficult to field. Look at it, sige nga.
Right.
Sige nga.
Oo nga. Parang dakis din.
Argarin to Diaz, hindi lumusot ang tira. So puntos na naman niya para sa Arellano. And it's on her serve. Sa serve ni Ticar na talagang hirap na hirap ang kalaban ng Makaalagwa.
Depensa! That's a plus factor na for this Arellano squad.
Right. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Diane Ticar once again.
Wow.
Grabe yung serve
What a
niya talaga.
bomb.
Nice rejection there by Henson on Tubino and another score for Arellano.
Guess mo naman yung weight ni Henson.
Oh, wow. Pinag-usapan nga namin yun ni Mosi. Barely 80, barely 90. Mga ganun.
Oo.
Pero lakas pumalo ng batang yan. Ticar again. Ayan, nalaro na niya yung percentages that time. But because of her serve, lamang pa ang Arellano at this point. 5-4. Royce Tubino now to serve.
Oh, good serve.
Ticar on the setup now for Balse. Another push.
Balse, alam mo, I just wanna share si Balse yung mga pinapanood natin dati na you love to see her play kasi whenever she reacts pagkatapos ng isang spike, talagang nakakahawa eh.
Nanalo na ng championship, ganun.
Oh, yung talagang todo react. So ikaw, if you're her teammate, di ba? Parang mahahawa ka.
Right. And here is the attack now from Arellano. Sartin. Ticar. Back set ngayon para kay Sagun. And Diaz can't get it through. Alam mo, maraming transfer dito. Sagun used to play for NU. And now she's suited up here for Arellano.
Correct.
Correct.
Correct. Tama. Tama
Axel
ka.
is the official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League. Alam mo, we have to thank our fans for providing us with a lot of information as we continue with the coverage dito. Diaz. Oh, wow.
So much power.
Tinamaan na yung mata niya kanina during warm-ups, ha? Nakikita niya pa rin yung bola.
But that was a bad hit kasi she was icing her, parang ina-ice sa kanina.
Oo. Sartin. Ba, hindi pa nagja-jump serve si Sartin ngayon, ha? Ticar. Behind to Henson. And Henson gets it off the hands of Diaz. At that is enough to give an 8-point lead or 8-5 lead dito sa koponan ng Arellano.